Literally a race against time. This 10-story building was constructed in 48 hours straight from ground up. A team of 100 workers burned the midnight oil, toiling away. With no water or large piles of construction material available, pre-built blocks were rapidly moved into place, sticking to a tight schedule.
We are sitting in the zone 4.
Mohali-based construction innovator Harpal Singh led the initiative after a frustrating experience while building his family home in Chandigarh.
Always there will be a problem. One time plumber won't be there, other time mason won't be there, then the electrician won't be there. A small problem will take days and days and days. If everything is there, then rain would come. So I built my house in 2 years.
As A.R. Rahman's Jai Ho cheers the workers, there was no lax in safety norms as workers dangled outside fixing large glass panes. With every second counting, the pressure was intense and the promise made by the team leader had to be kept.
हमारे माइंड में डाले थे कि हमने एक ऐसी बिल्डिंग तैयार करें जिसमें 48 आवर्स में हम कंप्लीट करें। जो जिसको आता था कि वो चाहता था कि उनका रोल है, नहीं वो कहेगा नहीं मेरा रोल है। सभी ने अपने रोल, अपना जिम्मेवारी, अपनी जुनून के साथ काम किया।
The building might have come up in 48 hours, but it took meticulous behind-the-scene planning for over 3 months to pull this off. Complete with electrical fittings, wire channels, plumbing fittings, air conditioning ducts and flooring, it was not an easy job.
जो ऑन साइट काम कर रहे हैं उनको भी किसी भी तरह की शॉर्टेज ना हो, सो दैट कोई एक छोटा स्क्रू जो भी इस एक पर्टिकुलर किसी पैनल्स के लिए असेंबल करने में यूज किया जा रहा है उसकी शॉर्टेज ना हो, सो दैट के हम किसी भी तरह के डिले को अवॉइड कर सकें।
For Harpal Singh, it was not just about innovation, but also to instill pride in the fact that Indians could do a job fast if they put their heads to it. And this, he feels, is the future of construction.
Anything new, there's a lot of pressure because everybody says it's not possible. Just to show Indians that this is possible in India too.
Singh is now planning to construct a residential house in 20 hours.
Constructing a 10-level building in 48 hours was a challenge without any benchmarks to follow in India. But workers, charged up with their success, say now the only records to be broken are their own. Neeraj Upadhyay in Mohali, Jyoti Kamal.